The Office of the General Manager, District Commerce and Industries, West Jaintia Hills District, today conducted the 33rd District Level Industrial Exhibition 2022 at Ladthalaboh Indoor Stadium, Indoor Sports Hall, Playground, Madan Dai Masi Jowai. The program was held as part of the 50th year of statehood celebrations. The function was attended by the local MLA and Chairman MCCL, Wailad Miki Shilla, as the chief guest. Addressing the function, Shilla urged upon the department to start training on marketing and presentation of products produced by the different entrepreneurs from the district through various strategies in order to increase the demand by the consumers.
Henry hab emile ya ke market ko hab upen lai dem nei te heju ipor nga ko awat hab emile ya ke skill ko wa common upen lai ya kini kitiar kitar